Hi, Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. And I have been wondering lately, why is it that I have over 1,000 contacts on LinkedIn and I hardly know any of them? So I've decided to change that. I want to get to know you guys better, you gals better, and celebrate how you are using your voices in the world. And I want to start with one particular LinkedIn contact, and that is Lisa Marie Platske. Now, Lisa is someone I have not yet met in person. I'm pretty sure we met right here on LinkedIn, but I feel like she's become a friend. And so I want to tell you a little bit about her and celebrate how she's using her voice in the world. And I'm going to read from her bio from the Forbes Council. Yes, that Forbes. I won't read the whole thing, just a part of it, but it's more succinct than I could be. Lisa Marie Platske left her action-packed life as a federal law enforcement officer after 9/11 to become the CEO of international leadership development company Upside Thinking Inc., an award-winning leadership expert recognized by the White House and the Small Business Administration. She is the founder of Design Your Destiny Live, a 3-day leadership experience held in Manhattan Beach for the last 11 years. And it goes on to talk about her style of delivering high-energy presentations, her 7-step leadership model, some of her very illustrious clients, including the Department of Homeland Security, Honeywell, the Girl Scouts, etc. She has written 7 books, coaches leaders across the globe, and she is on the boards of several philanthropic organizations. Yes, that is my friend Lisa Marie Platske. And this is the lovely, cool little pottery dish that she sent me last September, when my husband and I got married after 7 years of partnership. So how is Lisa using her voice in the world? She helps people harness and unleash their unique individual brilliance in the world, and she helps leaders and philanthropists make the world a better place through upward-reaching decision-making and choices. Wow, Lisa Marie Platske, I do admire what you are doing in the world and how you are using your voice. And thank you for making a difference in my life too. And thanks again for the wedding gift. So thank you, viewers, for taking the time to watch this little video. This is going to be fun. I'm excited to see who I get to celebrate next. I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and you can find me right here on LinkedIn or at laurahandke.com.